Okay, now get your razor. Alright, shave it off. Good job. There you go. Now rinse it off a little bit. Rinse off your razor. Okay, and do some more shaving.
Too bad I can't go on my shirt.
Yeah.
But there isn't much on there.
Nope. Alright. You get it all?
Does it look like I can?
Yeah. You gotta get it way up here. There you go. There you go.
Look at my little nose.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's kind of clean.
Does it feel smooth? Let's see. Ooh, smooth whiskers.
I got whiskers.
No whiskers anymore? You shaved them off, didn't you? Huh?
Mhm.
Yeah. Are they all gone now? Say bye, Grandpa.
Bye, Grandpa.